It is over for Terra Classic Coin already when you want to think about Coinbase. Since last year, it has been over already for Coinbase, anything concerning Terra Classic LLC. When Terra Classic was trading at almost $120 price, the next thing, within 3 days, the price of Terra Classic was at 0.0000. Wow, Coinbase was like, what? It has not happened. It has not happened before for a top coin to just drop like that. People were crying all over the world because people invested huge amount of money. The market cap was almost hitting $50 billion. And then Coinbase got angry. They were not happy. So it pushed Coinbase to delist Terra Classic immediately. Understand? Coinbase just delisted Terra Classic. They have nothing more. It was already over. So right now, since last year, Luna still hope to get themselves back on Coinbase. And Coinbase still believe they can still work with Terra Classic, but so many things have to be done. Okay, right now I don't think any crypto exchange would like to list Terra Classic at this point, even though if they want, not now. Now would be the wrong time. Now would be the wrong time. Okay, and I still hope, especially Coinbase, can still list this coin. So Terra Classic for me is over. Anything concerning Coinbase, I don't see Coinbase listening to Terra Classic. And don't be surprised to see Binance tomorrow. It might still be listed on Binance, but they might not be offering that support again. Of course, they might not be offering such support, especially CZ. So CZ lost a lot, and I believe they have been supporting this coin to see if the coin can rise back. But if this coin fails, definitely there are so many coins right now that are coming up and they are doing well, which I know CZ himself will want to go into. And by the time you see him invest and make good profits from such coin, recovering some of the money he lost on Terra Classic, don't be surprised. Terra Classic, they are now on their own. They must still be listed on Binance, but the support they have been benefiting from Binance might not be coming that way again, and that might lead to the total fall of Terra Classic. The value of what you have might worth nothing. And when you have an exchange like Binance not saying much or burning much about Terra Classic again, what do you expect? And once again, please, in another video from next week, we'll be publishing videos on how to make money online, from trading and how to design website designing, how to design e-commerce website in 10 minutes, and so many things you can make online, how to make money, affiliate marketing, how to start blogging, of course, how to trade crypto industry and how to trade forex trading. And we'll be teaching all these things on our channel. This is why you need to subscribe. Please, thank you again. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and please kindly ask any question, but drop your comment in the comment section below. Once again, thank you for stopping by.